let me show you the interface of the editor. At the very top, we have the main toolbar. Here you can switch between different pages of your store using the page switcher. You can also toggle between desktop and mobile view using these buttons, and that's helpful to see how your design looks on a phone. And on the far right, you'll see undo, redo, and save buttons. Over on the far left-hand pane, you'll find your sections and your elements, organized into a hierarchy. Here we see the announcement bar within the header, and if we hover or click on it, we can see this element highlighted with a blue border. I'll click back, and we can see that our header section here contains the logo, the menu, and the search and cart functions. We can also scroll down to see our footer. So if I come to the bottom of the page, our footer's here, and I'll often use this visibility button to toggle sections on and off, which will help you easily identify which is which. The main content of your page is within its template, where you have the hero and the featured collection section. If we go back and you expand the hero section, you can see different elements for the heading and the button. It's easy to click and drag these within a section to rearrange elements. And to add new elements, you can just click Add Block. Here you'll see all the block types, and we can add a new one just like that. You can also hover your mouse in between elements, and you can see on the right-hand side where that blue bar indicates the new element will be placed. But if you didn't add it exactly where you wanted to, you can easily reposition that later. To delete any element, simply click the trash can.